chicken strips.
Welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be cleaning this mess. We got to pick up all the tools we left down and whatnot. And we're also going to clean the car before my dad gets home. We're trying to put the coil back on the on our little dashboard there, and I slips and I cut myself right there. So you always gotta be careful in the garage. As you can see, we cleaned most of the garage. We pushed this car out of the way a little bit so we have some more room in here. We're probably gonna put the body panels and whatnot on this car to get them out of the way. Got a little bit more to clean, but that's for another time. We're gonna take this car out and we're gonna clean it. Surprise my dad. Hasn't been cleaned in months, so. My hand, by the way, we wrapped it up. It's pretty good. Hurts like a seahorse though, I'll tell you that much. As you guys can see, hopefully on camera, it is pretty dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up right now. Oh, it's just the thing. You're good. Yeah, just keep pushing.
What's up, Throttle Fucks? Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you know every time we post. Make sure to follow our Instagram. It's the same name, Red Eyed Whips. And catch you next time.
Thank you for all the comments we've been getting. We love reading them. So guys, that car over there that still doesn't have a body, It's gonna take us a minute.
Gosh, damn!